Maybe many of you already know how to widen columns in Microsoft Excel, but there's nothing wrong if I refresh your memory about this method. Widening columns in Microsoft Excel is very useful, one of which is if we create a table where the table has long writing in it. Well, like it or not, we have to widen the size of the column again to fit the length of the existing writing. As for how to widen columns in Microsoft Excel, the method is very easy. Point the cursor at the column head, which is located at the very top of the Microsoft Excel column. Then point the cursor at the right border of the column whose width will be changed until the cursor changes to an arrow to the left and right. Then click on the mouse and hold, slide to the right, and then release the mouse again. Now the column will be as wide as you want. Do the same thing on other columns that you want to adjust or change the width of. That's how to widen columns in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for you. See you in the next video.